We're back with another Foodie Mini Brand Series 2. Are we gonna find that ultra rare Pizza Hut bag? You guys, it better be in here. I'm serious. Oh no, I'm losing it. I lost it. Find the second seal. And crack it open. Let's see what we got. First we have... Look at how tiny! It's an itty bitty Hard Rock Cafe drink. Up next, we got some sushi. Who ordered this? You guys, this looks legit. Okay, we got the Jamba Juice smoothie. You guys, look at the difference in size. Look at how tiny this is. Oh, we got a breakfast sandwich. Okay, why does that croissant look delicious? Oh, this is new for my collection. Some kind of a cinnamon bun dessert. Make sure to like and follow to see if we'll ever find this rare red Pizza Hut bag.